man, that hurt a lot. So we're fighting warm. Ouch! Stop fighting me. I'm gonna die. No, stop fighting. No, man. Time to break this car. I'm sorry, guys. What to do? No, man. Man, stop! Don't break the car. We're gonna drive this later. So, don't break this car. Serious, sir? We're not gonna break this, right? Yes. So, let's go. Now we're flying to the moon. I'm just kidding. So, let's sleep and go to the car. Man. Man. Having fun sleeping in the car. Let me sleep in the car, man. OMG. OMG, guys. I'm in the car and I'm sleeping here. That's my choice and nobody can disturb my choice. Wait. Let's just wake up, guys. Guys, wake up, wake up. I'm waking up, bruh. Don't disturb my dreams. It's still night, bruh. Let's just want to drive first. That's me. Yellow, can you stop? And you, second blue, can you stop? And me, blue, and you, normal, James, can you stop? Let's just sleep again, man. I'm still tired for this. Fine, let's just go back to sleep. But I'm still to the rescue. We're waking up at 6 p.m. Kosoo! Kosoo! Ah, wait, it's 30 p.m. Wake up! Serious, sir? Serious, sir? Go. Serious, sir? Good job. You're three. James, second blue, and blue. My name is Carl, so don't. I'm the boss, so don't disrespect me. I'll go save the world. You guys guard the base. Alright, sir. Let me guard here. Let me guard here. Let me guard here. Now let me guard here. Now everyone have the place so we can now go. I can now go. So let's go. Brr, brr, brr. Guys, let's play. Because the boss is not around. What? Bro, you want to be fired? You want to be fired or not? Bro, I think you want to be fired, bro. You want to be fired? Oh, nah, man. Bro, I don't like to be fired. So, don't Fine. Guard, guard. Ha ha ha. I'm back, guys. What are you doing? Guard. Ha ha ha. I'm. Oh, why is a camera here? So I can block your dead. Ha ha. You're so brave. Little kid. Ugh, ugh. Man, boog. Let's go, boog. Man, man, wake up, wake up. No, let's put him here, guys. What are you waiting for? Okay, let's go. Let me hold you tight. To go. The guys, I mean you. It's blue, dark blue, and me, light blue. He's laying there. Now get that. Get it now, man. Fine. Let me get it. Here. If it's here, then I think he's dead. What did you get? Dying potion. Bruh. Now we need to put this in the cave. Dark. Why is that dark? What did happen, man? Is that dark? Yeah, I think that's a power off. So, who cares? Let's just sleep. I mean guard. Now, I think the boss is coming. Open the door. Here we are. Did somebody come here? Yes, sir. We just and this dark blue, or let me just say blue. Yes, we just get a dead potion. So he's dead. Over. Why did you get that right now, ma? You know, I think you're fired, but you have a second chance. So everyone sleep. Kusu, kusu. Sleep, sleep, guys. Okay. Hmm. Let's haha. Finally, can I play? But now, but not now, man. Why are you awake? You want to be fired? No, 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 no. Put to sleep or I gonna shoot this, man. Okay, sorry, sorry, man. That's what I get. That's what you get. Haha. You said that's what you get. Haha. Oh, laughing in the boss face. You're sorry, sorry, I can sleep. That's what I thought. Now let's wake up. Go to your places. Yes, Captain. I mean, yes, sir, yes, sir. I'm here. So everyone except for when I'm small, I cannot see. Where's Camila? I'm here. Man, now let's go. This is important to do. I gonna find criminals and you guys have to come with me with the cars. If you did this, go to the test or you didn't complete, you're fired. All of you, if all of you failed, cut it. Sir, you sir. Okay, go to the car. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna go here. Oh, wow! I'm sorry, guys. I show my face. It's okay. You already know my face. So let's go, guys, to the moon. To the moon. I'm just kidding. Not to the moon, man. Upside warm. Lamborghini.